My name is Arnold Ochola. I am passionate about helping young people gain knowledge and skills in different things. And this was a perfect opportunity for me. Ban Radio partnering with MTN, where we facilitated students. This was day 3, where we did robotics, and I took the students through how you can come up with a robotics project. So we did virtual simulations in electronics mainly. The students were really, they loved the class so much that they were asking for references, what are they going to do. So it was encouraging for me as a trainer that they were so responsive to the training and that it wasn't hard.
My name is Winena Joanjo, and I have been honored to be part of this robotics session from the training today. And I got to learn that robotics is not only about coding, but it brings in parts of mechanics and also electronics. And then I had to struggle in between the sessions to dig deep into some of the knowledge on circuits that I had to learn from high school, and it was very hard to pick that knowledge from down there. But I love challenges, so I'm going to sit down and manage to understand each and every single concept that was brought today. So the next time I'm in the same class, I'm going to know exactly what is being mentioned, and I'll be able to contribute and teach everyone else in the same field just as well.
We have unlearned and learned a lot. We have learned digital communication, personal branding, and also robotics. So we've been here, we've been inspired, and we wish to cascade this information to other people through our trainers of trainer. So we would like to appreciate you, and we hope more can onboard and be beneficiaries of this training. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Miria Prosinamo from MTN Uganda Technology Division. I'm a software engineer by profession and currently doing quality assurance testing. I'm very privileged to have been given opportunity to participate in this program, Women in Tech, where we've been studying about cybersecurity on day 1, and then AI plus robotics for today. My main interest was in AI, and I cannot wait to pass it on to other people out there and encourage them how to use it in their day-to-day life. I can't wait. I'm looking forward to this opportunity. Thank you so much.